In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rank math breadcrumbs to WordPress theme. Breadcrumbs are those small, clickable links that show visitors where they are on your site, like home, blog, and then the current post. They improve navigation, help users jump back a level quickly, and can even enhance how your pages appear in search results. In this walkthrough, we'll use Rank Math's built-in breadcrumb feature and place it exactly where you want it in your theme using the site editor. First, head into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Rank Math SEO, open General Settings, and then select Breadcrumbs. Here, toggle the breadcrumbs feature on. This is essential. If breadcrumbs aren't enabled, nothing will display later. Take a moment to confirm it's switched on. You can come back to this screen anytime to adjust things like labels or separators, but for now, simply make sure the feature is active. Next, open your site editor. In the dashboard, go to Appearance and choose Editor. This is where you control templates and template parts in block themes. Decide where you want the breadcrumb trail to appear. A common and user-friendly spot is just above the post title in your single post template, but you can place it wherever makes sense for your layout. Open the template you want to modify, for example, the single post template. Click in the exact spot where you want the breadcrumbs to appear. Now add a shortcode block. If you don't see it right away, use the block inserter and search for shortcode. Once you've added the block, enter the shortcode exactly as follows: Rank Math Breadcrumb. This tells WordPress to render Rank Math's breadcrumb trail right there in your template. When you're done, save the template. Now preview any post on your site to confirm it worked. You should see a breadcrumb trail in the position you chose, typically showing your homepage, any relevant category or hierarchy, and then the current post title. If it doesn't appear, double-check that the breadcrumb toggle is on in Rank Math's settings, and make sure you save the template changes. Sometimes a hard refresh helps, especially if your site uses caching. That's it. You've enabled Rank Math breadcrumbs and placed them using the site editor with a simple shortcode. This approach keeps your theme clean, improves navigation, and provides clear context for visitors and search engines. If you want to refine the look later, you can adjust spacing or typography in your theme's styles, and explore Rank Math's breadcrumb options to match your site's voice and structure.